Here I am looking like an absolute dweeb for my photo shoot that I'm going to be painting at today, but it was worth it because I got this finished. Also, I like to be comfy.
All right, folks, welcome back. We're doing another Wish-inspired body paint today. This one was zebra stripes on this awesome little bodysuit. I really like the way the stripes complemented the model's figure, and I was like, I want to do that. So I got Bevan in to the studio with Richard Allen. We started with the zebra heads on her shoulders, bringing that mane all the way around the back to kind of make almost like a faux fur style collar, and then doing the stripes down the legs and across the torso, which is what was so intriguing to me about this paint. As far as makeup goes, I did a really heavy borderline avant-garde look. So I started with a foundation that was a little bit lighter than her actual skin because I wanted to do some really heavy contouring and highlighting. So went in, did all that, heavy contour, heavy highlights, just really over-the-top makeup to go with this really over-the-top look. I made the headdress and the shoulder pieces that she's wearing in the video as well. Those are going to be available and up on my Etsy for sale when this comes out. So after that, we're going into our eyeliner. I made a huge wing up top, and then I actually carried that wing down below her eye, so it almost created like a triangle that went up over her eye. And then we did some stripes on her face and a secondary triangle style wing that came across her eyelid and up through her eyebrow. Like I said, I really love this look because of the way the stripes just kind of complemented her natural curves, made everything look really nice. I will have edits of this shoot up on my other platforms, as well as have Richard's platforms and Bevan's platforms listed below, so you can go check them out. As always, if you want early releases or extras, check out my Patreon for more info. Thanks much, and see you next time.